Welcome! Now I got Motorola Moto G41 and now I'm show you how to customize volume panels into this device. Firstly, open your Play Store and find Volume Styles application, this one. Need downloading and installing, so I'm already installed this, click open. Now need choose your volume styles, maybe like Android 12. And then in the top right corner we got start button, so click it. Now need give permissions for this application to your device. Click here and one more time in your settings. Options, volume styles, turn on, allow, OK, and here use volume styles. And now click no thank you, and now when you see the stop button in the top right corner, you activate new volume styles, like Android 12. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.